Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday to you. It is Friday, November 18th, and I'm here live, bringing you a live from Aroma Thyme Bar. It is cocktail time with Jamie. I'm trying to get back on track, making a cocktail every day for you, or at least 3 times a week, and bringing that back so that you have some fun cocktails that you can make at home, or if you don't feel like making that at home, of course you can come to the Aroma Thyme Bar and we'd be happy to make some of them for you. Yesterday I made a pumpkin margarita. It was really yummy. Pumpkin spice, cinnamon, all that kind of stuff. It was really quite delicious. So I'll give everybody a moment to log in here. So if you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Just give me anything so I know that you're here. I see some people starting to join right now, so thank you very much. We are open tonight here at Aroma Thyme. Albie is here. He's playing music from 6:30 to 9:30. He is a do not miss act. If you have never seen Albie play before, you definitely should come see him tonight. He is here once a month. He'll be here on, I believe, December 16th, which is a Friday as well. He's here that evening, and so come catch him. You can come just sit at the bar, have a drink, grab a bite to eat, and just hang out. You don't necessarily have to eat dinner. You can just have a drink and just catch Albie play. So he's awesome. We love Albie. He's one of our all-time favorites here at Aroma Thyme. Jazz was awesome last night. The jazz trio was great last night. We had a lot of people coming in, listening to jazz and enjoying the jazz trio that we have every Thursday. And let's see, what else we have going on? Monday night is our 4 wines in a dish Finger Lakes wines. Some of the wines that we brought back from the Finger Lakes when we were there last week. We'll be serving those on Monday night. That is a great deal. It's 4 wines and the dish choice from the chef. From Marcus on Monday evening. I actually just got off the phone with the hotel in the Finger Lakes going over some dates for May. So if you are interested in traveling with Marcus and I, up to the Finger Lakes or on any of our other trips, go ahead and give us a call. We're going to be going to Apulia in November. We're going to be going to Oaxaca next year. We're going to be going to Santa Barbara. We've got a lot of fun, cool things planned. We are definitely going back to the Finger Lakes probably in March. I will get those dates out to you ASAP so that you can start planning and travel with us in March. So let's see, what else we have coming up? Thanksgiving. We are almost sold out of our Thanksgiving dinners to go. We'll be doing to-goes from 11 to 2. Marcus just released our donation button for our Christmas Day soup kitchen. We have our soup kitchen. This will be our 19th year of our 20th year. I think this is our 20th year of our soup kitchen, actually. Is it 20 years? 19 or 20? 19. It's our 19th year of our soup kitchen. We do that every Christmas Day. No questions asked. We have sign-ups that go through the family of Ellenville. We get donations from distributors, from our guests like you, monetary or food donations, and we cook dinner and we deliver those to people that are in need on Christmas Day. We ask for volunteers a couple weeks before to help us in the kitchen. We ask for volunteers on Christmas Day, so if that is something that interests you, stay tuned. We'll be providing the email to send information to very soon. So that is Christmas. And let's see, I cannot believe we're into December already, kind of crazy, but it is almost, before we turn around, it's going to be December. I can't believe it's Thanksgiving. And I know Justin up in Buffalo, they're getting hit with snow right now. Luckily, we don't have that much here. We just had a nice little dusting on Tuesday night. So thank you everybody for watching. Hello Lauren, hello Michaela. Thank you everybody for watching me. Today I'm going to be making a full sangria. This will be great for Thanksgiving if you're just looking to do a cocktail. You can make a big picture of it. You can make a punch bowl of it. And this is a really awesome, just an awesome drink just to kind of sip on Thanksgiving, at Thanksgiving. So I'm going to take my pumpkin pie spice that Courtney's made. It is pumpkin puree, water, thyme, what else is in here? I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. I'm going to add, so you can make a big batch of this, and I would leave it to, sit in the fridge for a day or two before Thanksgiving. I'm going to take a little bit of Riesling. I'm going to take a little bit of apple apple cider. This is a local apple cider. I'm going to put from a core, which is up in near Hudson, New York. So I put about an ounce of that in there. I'm going to actually mix that all up. I'm going to get my maple syrup as well. Let me grab that. Sorry, I meant to grab it before. Add a little bit of maple syrup in there.
So you would have to call
Mix that all up. Hello, Tina. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. If you want to make this a red sangria, you could add red wine. If you want to make it a white sangria, add white wine. I'm going to add a little bit of blood oranges and a little bit of local apples in there. Go ahead and I'm going to mix that all up. I'm going to add a cinnamon stick. I think I have here somewhere. Cinnamon stick. So I'm going to put this in a big pitcher, put it in the fridge, let it sit overnight, let it sit for a couple of days. It's not going to go bad. Mix that all in. So we have apple cider, pumpkin pie, or pumpkin, like agave, a little bit of maple syrup, a little Applejack, brandy, a little bit of Riesling. I'm going to go ahead and mix that on up there. I'm going to add a drop more Riesling in here. I'm going to mix it on up. And I'm going to add a little ice to my glass. How fun will that be for Thanksgiving? Just having a picture of that out. People can just sip on it, enjoy it. And let's go ahead and give it a sip. Cheers.
Yummy.
Nice and nice Thanksgiving sangria. So here we are. This is a great Thanksgiving drink. This is great to drink any time in the fall. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you everybody for watching me. Again, I'll be tonight 6:30 to 9:30. A wine dinner on Monday. 4 wines in a dish, $35. And I will catch you all soon. Have a wonderful night. Cheers.